Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping your voice profile so you know what to build on. First, choose the exact tone and audience. This guides delivery choices. Then record 3 focus samples at different lengths and consistent levels, which reveals pacing and breath control issues. Once done, listen critically and mark where pitch, energy, or diction drop. This early audit saves hours later because it tells you what to train, what to edit, and how to brief collaborators. Next, refine both technique and recording quality. You need consistent, usable takes. Warm up for 20 to 30 minutes with breath and articulation drills so your voice stays steady. This prevents strain and keeps tone even. Set mic distance and orientation to avoid plosives and room noise, and choose a quiet, treated space. Record multiple takes per line, offering different emphasis choices, because editors prefer options once recorded well. Cleanup becomes minimal and natural. Finish by cleaning and delivering files so your work stands out. Edit out unwanted breaths and tighten timing, then normalize to a consistent loudness target and export high-quality WAV or 24-bit files with clear file names. Explain delivery expectations to the client and provide alternate takes if needed. If something goes wrong, first isolate whether it's noise, plumbing in the room, or performance. Re-record offending lines when possible and use denoise sparingly, because overprocessing kills naturalness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.